Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate phishing protection with Proofpoint beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating phishing protection with Proofpoint, first, log into your Proofpoint admin console. Navigate to the Threat Insight dashboard for a comprehensive view of ongoing threats. Next, go to the Policies section in the menu. Select Email Protection to access your existing policies. Here, you can review the default phishing protection settings. To create a new policy, click on Add Policy. Enter a name for your new phishing protection policy. Choose the conditions under which this policy should apply. You can select specific sender domains, IP addresses, or even keywords. Next, configure the actions that the policy will take when phishing is detected. Options include quarantining the email, notifying the user, or blocking it entirely. Once you've set your conditions and actions, click Save to finalize your policy. Now, head to the Threat Responses section. Activate the Automated Response features. This allows Proofpoint to automatically respond to detected threats based on your preferences. You can customize the notification settings to alert your team about phishing attempts. After setting up your automated responses, it's crucial to test the policy. Send a test phishing email to ensure that the policy is functioning as intended. Monitor the Incident Reports section for any flagged emails. Make adjustments to your policies if you notice any false positives or missed threats. Regularly review and update your phishing protection policies as needed. Stay informed about new phishing tactics to ensure your settings remain effective. With these steps, you'll enhance your organization's phishing protection through automation using Proofpoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.